I'm so excited to get these oysters in my mouth. I'm using my Rockland Guard oyster knife and the cut-resistant gloves in large. They're a tiny bit too big, but they'll work because I'm sharing them with my partner and his hands are actually bigger than mine. Most importantly, I shucked for about an hour and a half and not one nick. One little friendly tip, if you haven't shucked oysters by yourself before, you will want to watch a YouTube video. Don't do like I did and think everything needs to happen in your hand. This is actually the most difficult way to shuck. It's best if you place the oyster down on a flat surface and get some actual leverage. But even as an amateur, I did seem to own the kitchen this day with my oyster knife. Right here, I'm finding the hinge on the oyster. The narrow part of the knife helps you to find the hinge, and then wiggle it a little bit and then turn it. And you have more leverage with this bigger part of the knife. And now for the reveal. Look at this. And if you're a fabulous hostess, you'll definitely loosen the oyster from the shell without mangling it to make it super easy on your guests. But you must try one yourself first. Add whatever you like to it. I wanted to try the cocktail sauce, but usually I just slurp the oyster right from the shell without any condiment necessary. This oyster did not disappoint. Oh my gosh, it hit so good. The only thing missing was a bib. That day I safely shucked about 60 oysters, and it would not have been possible without this oyster knife and glove. So good.